creators get excited the moment they see their shot got 5,000 views, 10,000 views, or 100,000 views, but they wonder why people are not watching their long form videos. That is because they are busy chasing views instead of building content ecosystem. If you understand the way YouTube connects short and long form videos, you will know that shorts are very powerful tools to advertise your long form videos to bring traffic to your channel. In this video today, we are going to discuss how to use shorts to send traffic to your long form videos, how to use shorts to generate subscribers, how to use shorts strategically to get your channel monetized, and how smart creators are using shorts to turn viewers into loyal fans. If you try this step-by-step guide from the first guide to the last one. I'm Shavera in this channel, which is small creators how to grow, monetize, the do's and don'ts they need to avoid here on YouTube. So if that sounds like what you want, hit that subscribe button. It's free. So let's get straight to the video. If you are a short content creator, you are the type that upload mainly short, you will notice that your long form videos may not be getting the kind of views that it's supposed to get. Let's say you are getting 5,000 views on your short, 10,000 views on your short. If you upload your long form video, you will hardly get 1,000 views or 500 views. Now what happens is that the people that watch short content mostly just watch that short, and it's very hard for them to watch long form videos. And this is where short can actually help you to get traffic to your long form videos if you are able to connect your short the right way. Now the first step you should take is that making sure that your short is connected to your long form video. Go to your short content. These are the shorts that this channel have. So you come to this 3-dot line here, you click that 3-dot line, you click edit. On this edit, you will see related video. Now this related video is going to connect this short with the long form video. Peradventure that short is very interesting, that after watching that short they see it's very interesting, they can easily from this short to connect to your long form video. First of all, the moment you create your short, let's say you make a video on how to get 1,000 subscribers, you are going to cut the most interesting part of that video. You are going to cut it off as your short. It must not be long. Let's say 30 seconds, 20 seconds is even better. What you will do is that you are going to use the name of this long form video on that short. Even the thumbnail you use on that video, you are going to place it on this short. Now you are going to write something like watch full video on that short. Then at the comment section of that short, you are going to put the link of your long form video on the comment section, and the description as well. You're going to put the link of your long form video at the description. I can tell countless times that I've watched a particular short, I struggle to get to the long form video of that short. There was one of my shorts I got 1.9 million views. That short brought a lot of traffic to the long form video. That was one of the long form video that I created that hit 9k views. I connect the short to the long form video with related video. I use the link of that long form video and pin it on the short content. I also use the link and pin it at the comment section. So, and I also add at the end of that video, I add watch long form video. So this is one of the short, one of my videos that gave me 9k views. There was one program that I was watching. It's a short content. It's like 40 seconds short. After I watched this short, I was so eager to watch the long form video. I couldn't search through it. I couldn't get to it. I even get to the person's channel, yet I couldn't find this very long form video. That is bad. Your short is to get people to watch more of your long form video, and that is the biggest mistake most creators make. You can use your short to drag traffic to your long form video. Now that takes me to another most important one. A lot of creators make mistake of creating random videos, multiple videos. They just create different titles, different topic and upload. The best way to create your video is to make your videos in series. If somebody watch part 1 of your video and they find that part 1 very interesting, that video should have part 2. Instead of writing, okay, let's say how to bake cake, how to make orange juice, how to make this. You can make how to bake cake, episode 1. How to bake cake slash orange juice, part 2. Now this person that watch part 1, see, one thing with human beings, that human being always want to finish what they started. So if somebody watch the part 1 of that video and find it very very interesting, trust me, the second one they will watch it, they will come back for that second one, the part 2. As long as they see that it's part 1, they will look for part 2. Because many a times if I watch a particular content, watch part 1, I will start looking for the part 2 to watch. Now, and I know that you yourself watching me always feel like that whenever you watch a particular content and you find it very very interesting. You want to get to the root of that content, you want to watch more of that video, and that is where we miss it all. You make your videos in series, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. When you want to cut the part 1, cut it where it gets more interesting, where the tension is very very high. You just cut it there, then the part 2 will not continue. This is where you get people coming back to your channel. Then that take me to playlist matter. Make your videos to be what we call bench watch. When somebody watch a particular one, they want to watch the second one. Let's say I make video on how to bake cake, or I'm into cooking, how to cook a goosey soup. I need to put those things in session, which is putting them in playlist. How to cook a goosey soup 1, everything about how to cook a goosey soup, I'll put it in that playlist. Then how to make ogbono soup, I'll put it in. This help you to bring traffic to your channel. This is a work of short. Many times we celebrate our views, celebrate short views. Don't upload short just to go viral, get views, and your channel remains stuck. So use your short content to drive traffic to your long form video, which will help your channel to grow faster. Short help your channel to grow faster. That is if you maximize the users of your short. So guys, if you find this very very helpful, I want you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video to get to other creators that are struggling to get views to their long form video. See you when next I come. Bye bye.